So today I'm going to show you how to create tables on Microsoft Word, which is very easy and very simple to do. You just have to go to the insert option. When you click on the insert option, you can see tables over here. You click on it, then you add and select. So take for example, you want to add about like 5 rows, then probably 7 columns. So that's it, 5 rows, 7 columns. Then if you want to create more than that, let me delete this. Go back to the insert, click on the table, then you come to the insert table here. Because there's a possibility you have about like you want to create about like 20 rows and 5 columns like that. You don't have up to 20 columns here. So you click on the insert table here, then you bring the option, then you can tweak it how you want. So here you have about let me say let me say 4 columns and then 20 rows. Then click on OK, and that's just it. So very simple, very easy to do. Thank you.